To do the loop stitch, you're going to insert your hook into the first stitch. Now, to create the loop, we're going to be using this yarn that goes around our index finger on our non-dominant hand. And the amount or length of loop that we end up with depends on how close or far our finger is here from our work. So if we go out further, our loop is going to be larger. If we come in closer, our loop is going to be smaller. I'm aiming for about an inch, so I'm going to try to keep it at that length. It is the tricky part of this stitch is keeping a regular tension and so that you get the same length of stitches each time. It can be tricky, and we'll see how I do. So the next part of the stitch is to take your hook and go around this front part of your loop, and behind it grab the back end of that yarn. And you're going to bring it forward and go through one loop. Then you're going to grab the end of your yarn over, and bring it through the 2 loops on your hook. Now you could release this hook with your finger before or after that part. You can kind of play with it and see what feels better to you. But essentially that is the loop stitch. And insert your hook into the stitch. Go back around the front part of your yarn, grab that back one, pull it to the front and through the first loop. Now if you want to let go of your loop there, you can do that. You just don't want this to fall like that because you want to go around it. So that's what you got to pay attention to if you're going to let go of that first. You're going to yarn over and pull through. So there is another loop stitch. Insert my hook, get my tension, go back around the front part of the loop, grab that back part, pull forward through one loop, going to yarn over, pull through both loops on my hook, and there is my loop stitch.